Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Paddock. Today is Friday, May 1st. I have another story about butterflies for you. It's part of our butterfly collection of books, and it's dealing with the life cycle of the butterfly. And it is called From Caterpillar to Butterfly. From Caterpillar to Butterfly. Hope you enjoy it. What is a butterfly? A butterfly is a type of insect. Insects have 3 pairs of legs, making 6 legs altogether. The wings of a butterfly are covered in many tiny scales. So that's a close-up of the wing of a butterfly, so you can see all the scales on it. The scales are usually patterned and colored. An insect's body has 3 parts. The front part is called the head. It has eyes and a mouth. The thorax is the middle part where the legs and wings are attached, and the abdomen is the back part where the insect digests food. The story of a butterfly. A butterfly starts life as a little egg. It will hatch into a hungry caterpillar. So here's the egg, there's the caterpillar. The story of how an egg grows into an adult butterfly is called a life cycle. Then goes into a pupa stage and then into an adult. So there's 4 parts here. Egg, caterpillar, pupa, adult. A new life begins. In spring, a female butterfly will look for safe places to lay its eggs. She lays them under the leaves where they are hidden from view. Monarch butterflies lay their eggs on milkweed plants. The eggs stick to the leaves. So again, here's a little egg and it's sticking to the underside of the leaf. Different types of butterflies lay their eggs on different types of plants. Peacock butterflies choose nettles. These plants have stinging hairs. The stings will stop animals from eating the nettles and therefore stops them from eating the eggs. The eggs hatch. A few days later, the eggs will hatch and tiny yellow caterpillars will come out of each one. Caterpillars spend most of their time eating, so they will grow quickly. Monarch caterpillars become stripy as they grow older. So here's a monarch caterpillar. The caterpillar is also known as a larva. As the caterpillar grows, its skin becomes too tight and it splits. The caterpillar will then shed its skin, revealing a new one underneath. This is called molting. So here you can see it molting. So it's splitting its skin and it's popping that out. So it's the old skin and there's the new skin underneath. Staying alive. A caterpillar is soft and juicy. Lots of other animals want to eat it, but there's some clever ways that caterpillars can stay alive. A monarch caterpillar will eat milkweed plants. The leaves of milkweed plants are poisonous, and that makes the caterpillar taste bad, so animals don't want to eat them. Many caterpillars are green, so they'll blend in with their surroundings. That's called camouflage. So here, a green caterpillar is on a green leaf, and it makes it hard to see, right? So animals can't see it, they can't eat it. Some caterpillars have some really sharp spines on their bodies. Ouch! I wouldn't want to eat that caterpillar. Making a pupa. Caterpillars grow fast. After about 14 days, a caterpillar is ready to change into a pupa. This is the next stage of its life cycle. A caterpillar makes a silk thread and it uses it to hang from a leaf. And look, it's like the letter J. Here it's a backwards J. Then it molts for one last time. The pupa is already formed under the caterpillar's skin. Once the skin is shed, the pupa starts to harden. The pupa is tough on the outside to protect the insect inside. The caterpillar begins to change inside the pupa. You can already start to see, some lines and stuff of the butterfly. A pupa is often camouflaged. It's usually green, brown, or gray, and it's hidden under a leaf. So you can see this one, it's hidden under a leaf, and it's the same color as the leaf. A butterfly appears. After about 2 weeks, the pupa turns dark. Something amazing is about to happen. So you could see, so it goes from green to kind of this darker color here. The orange wings of the butterfly can be seen inside. Then the pupa starts to crack open. The butterfly starts to climb out, and then it sits on the empty pupa case. Then it spreads its wings so it can dry because the wings are wet, right? An adult butterfly does not grow anymore. Male and female monarchs look very similar, but males have small dark spots on the back of their wings. So if you can look here, that's how you can tell the difference between, if you're looking at monarch butterflies, you can tell the difference between a boy and a girl butterfly. The boy ones have these dots on their wings. So if you see a monarch butterfly with dots right here, then that is a boy butterfly. If it doesn't have any dots, then it's a girl butterfly. Butterfly life. Butterflies flutter around searching for food. They feed on sweet, sugary nectar inside flowers. Most adults live for just a few weeks. Now it's mating time, and male butterflies will stop looking for food because now they're looking for females instead. Once the butterflies have mated, the female is going to lay her eggs and a new life cycle is going to begin. A long journey. As the summer comes to an end, monarch butterflies start an amazing journey called migration. They fly to warmer places such as Mexico. The journey can cover thousands of miles and it can take more than 2 months. Millions of monarch butterflies spend the winter resting on trees. In spring, the butterflies set off to their summer homes. On the way, they'll mate. Their young change into butterflies and they continue the journey. The monarch butterflies wake up when warm weather arrives. And that's the end of our story. Hope you learned a thing or two about butterflies. I wonder if we're going to start to see butterflies soon, right? I bet you the butterflies are starting to kind of come back. I haven't seen any yet. It's still maybe a little bit too cool for them, but we're going to start to see them soon. I know in my front yard, we plant a lot of plants that butterflies love, bees and butterflies love, and in the summer we see tons and tons and tons of butterflies. And my kids really, really like that. So I hope soon we'll get to see some, and check them out when you do, okay? You've learned a few things about them, so now you can go tell your mom and dad about it. Hope you're all well, and hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. I love you, and I miss you. Bye-bye.